Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a new solar panel that can produce cheap green hydrogen at home. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and store clean energy. So, let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about what hydrogen is and why it's important. Hydrogen is a clean-burning fuel that can be used to power vehicles, heat homes, and generate electricity. Unlike traditional fossil fuels, hydrogen doesn't produce harmful emissions. However, currently, most of the hydrogen produced comes from non-renewable sources like natural gas. That's where this new solar panel technology comes in. This solar panel uses a process called photovoltaic electrolysis to produce hydrogen directly from sunlight and water. The panel is made of silicon and uses a semiconductor material to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. This process is powered by the sun's energy and doesn't produce any harmful emissions. What's unique about this technology is that it's cheap and easy to produce. Unlike other hydrogen production methods, this solar panel uses common materials like silicon, which makes it much more affordable. Additionally, the panel is designed to be small and lightweight, which means it can be easily installed on the roof of a home or building. The hydrogen produced by this solar panel is pure and can be used for a wide range of applications, including fuel cells and energy storage. It's also a renewable resource, meaning it can be produced indefinitely without depleting natural resources. This makes it an ideal solution for meeting our energy needs while reducing our impact on the environment. But how does this solar panel compare to other methods of producing hydrogen? Well, traditional methods like steam methane reforming and electrolysis of water are expensive and energy-intensive. Steam methane reforming requires natural gas, which is a non-renewable resource, while electrolysis of water requires large amounts of electricity. In contrast, this solar panel technology is cost-effective and efficient. The silicon-based design allows for mass production at a lower cost, and the use of sunlight to power the electrolysis process means that it's energy efficient. Additionally, since the panel is designed to be installed on the roof of a building, it can produce hydrogen where it's needed most, eliminating the need for transportation and storage of hydrogen. Another advantage of this technology is that it can be used in remote areas that don't have access to traditional sources of electricity. For example, communities in developing countries could use this solar panel to produce hydrogen for cooking and heating, reducing their reliance on traditional fuels like wood and charcoal. In conclusion, this new solar panel technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we produce and store clean energy. It's cheap, efficient, and can be installed almost anywhere. By using the sun's energy to produce hydrogen, we can reduce our reliance on non-renewable resources and decrease our impact on the environment. While this technology is still in the development phase, it's exciting to see the progress being made in the field of renewable energy. We look forward to seeing how this solar panel technology evolves and how it will be used to create a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on renewable energy technologies.